So how do you know if the iPad is new or refurbished? And well, it's actually pretty simple to check it out. All you have to do is to open up the settings. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Of course, you can open up the settings app as I mentioned, and you just need to go to the general section of the settings and find the about section. And you need to pay attention to the model number because there are like two types of the model number. You can click on it and it switches from the longer one to a short one. So the short one is, in my case, A2377. That is the iPad Pro 11-inch, whatever. That is the model number for every device. But when you click on it, it switches to this like longer number, which is also letters, and you need to pay attention to the first letter of this sequence. And there are actually four options. In my case, it starts with M, which means that it is brand new, purchased from Apple or a retailer. So it is indicated with the M, and that's how you know that it has been bought new and not refurbished. But you might see that it starts with F, and that stands for refurbished by Apple or a carrier. So it might be like official, everything fine, but it's been refurbished if it starts with an F. But there are also some other things, like it might start with a P if it's engraved or personalized, or if it starts with an N, it is actually a replacement model. So if you got your iPad broken or something happened to it and you get a new one as a replacement, then the model number is going to start with an N. So that's all that you really need to know about it. I hope I was able to explain it. Let me know what you think below, and I will hopefully catch you in the next videos and tutorials like this one.